हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल। आई एम लिकुन। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द लेक्चर अबाउट इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन in Mendeleev periodic table. All terms are called element or atom. So in today class we will discuss about electron represented by E, proton represented by P, and neutron represented by small n, and how to calculate the electron, protons and neutron value of an element. Students, first I will describe you about some points related to electron. Electron is represented by E. And first fundamentals of electron is electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson in the year of 1897. And what is the charge of electron? Electron is negatively charged ion, not positive charge or non-neutral, negatively charged ion. And charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And what is the mass of electron? Electron's mass is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. This is in gram, and in kg 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. This is the fundamental, this is the minimum fundamental about electron. Student, in second I will describe you some points related to proton. Proton is represented by P. First fundamental related to proton is proton discovered by E. Goldstein in the year of 1886. E. Goldstein. What is the charge of proton? Proton is positively charged ion, not negative charge or not neutral, not zero or not negative, only positive charge. So the charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And what is the mass of proton? Mass of proton is nearly equal to mass of hydrogen atom. So what is the mass of proton? Mass of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. These are some important fundamental about proton. And in third I will describe about neutron. Neutron represented by small n. First fundamental about neutron is neutron discovered by James Chadwick. James Chadwick in the year of 1932. The charge of neutron is zero, not electron's charge or not proton charge, not positive or not negative, only zero charge of because of neutron, electrical neutron. Then what is the mass of neutron? Mass is 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Which mass? Neutron mass and hydrogen mass is nearly equal, nearly same, and that's all about neutron. Students, we already discussed about electron, proton and neutron. So if an element is given, then atomic number is given. Atomic number is represented by the symbol Z. Then if atomic number given, then we can calculate the mass number, atomic mass number. Atomic mass or mass number represented by capital A. In my previous video, we discussed already about how to calculate atomic number or mass number. So you can check it. So an atom contains electron, proton and neutron. So what is the placement of atom, electron, proton and neutron in this diagram? Nucleus contain proton and neutron. Nucleus contain proton and neutron, and electrons are revolve around the nucleus. These are electrons, and in the center, in the nucleus, proton and neutron is present. Electrons are revolved around the nucleus in the circular orbit. So there are, because of absence of space, I describe the force along the KLMN. If an element given, then atomic number also given. Suppose then sodium, atomic number 11, atomic number given, Z value given, then we can calculate A value, atomic mass value. So atomic mass of sodium is 23. If atomic number and atomic mass given, we can easily calculate the three value. What is three value? Electron, proton and neutron value of an element or of an atom. So mass of electron equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Mass of proton equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. And mass of neutron equal to 1.675 into 10 to the power 27 kg. So friends, mass of electron equal to minus 31 means this is less, and mass of proton and neutron is minus 27 and minus 27. So for this reason, mass of electron is very less than mass of proton and mass of neutron. So for this reason, in the nucleus, proton and neutron are present since the starting of chemistry. Then what is the formula to calculate the atomic mass? Because in the nucleus, proton and electron present, so atomic mass formula is number of protons plus number of neutrons. If an atom given calcium, atomic number 20 means Z value 20. Then what is the mass number? Atomic mass equal to 40 of calcium. A value equal to 40. A value equal to, we know that atomic mass equal to number of neutron plus number of proton. So A value equal to number of neutron. Number of neutron means number of neutrons plus Z. Then number of neutron equal to A minus Z. If we subtract atomic mass minus Z value, then we can find the neutron value. Neutron's calculate formula is atomic mass, mass number minus atomic number. Number of neutrons equal to A minus Z. In this style, we can calculate the neutrons value. So I will give you a task to calculate the electron, proton, neutron value of phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, zinc and copper. You comment me in the comment section what is the three value of this element. So these are all about electron, protons and neutron. About this class, comment me. I hope this is an interesting class. So comment me in the comment section about this class. Thank you. Meet again.